Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Netherlands. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Netherlands is a country primarily located in Western Europe. The Netherlands has a strong economy with natural gas, agriculture, natural resources and transport playing major roles alongside the currency trade. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years. And as newer traders continue to enter the markets each day, beginners should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in the Netherlands and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Netherlands. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Swissquote. Swissquote is an online, fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000, with its headquarters located in Switzerland, over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's advanced trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard, premium, and professional accounts, with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provide their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. At number 4 on our list is IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG Markets offers only 2 types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own IG Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. Coming in at number 3, we have Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Oanda's WebTrader, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex currency pairs, access to their web, desktop, and mobile platforms, 24-hour 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of live webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education with Oanda. At number 2 on our list is Legacy FX. Legacy FX is an online financial broker which was founded in 2012 and is regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. Legacy FX offers users the ability to trade on more than 200 financial instruments, covering CFDs on Forex, metals, oil, cryptocurrencies, indices, and stocks. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, which is supported as a web-based browser application and is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Silver, Gold, Platinum, and VIP accounts with fixed or variable spreads, swap-free options, access to their trading academy, live customer support, no fees, and more. Legacy FX also provides their very own trading academy, which features an introduction to Forex trading, trading educational resources, a variety of helpful trading ebooks, advanced courses in the financial markets, as well as trading tools, such as technical analysis, calculators, analytics, and an economic calendar, for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Legacy FX. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Netherlands, we have Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a Forex and CFD broker regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014, with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. Blackbull Markets is a true ECN no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Blackbull Markets web trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and Active Trader accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. Blackbull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Blackbull Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Netherlands on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.